Hello, my name is Kenneth and I am the External Vice President. I got my pharmacy technician license November of last year.
I'm Joshua, I'm the Treasurer of PBS, and I got my tech license in August of 2018.
I studied for the PTCE by using online resources such as PharmTech Test and PharmTech Study. I recommend using these websites to master the basics such as laws, abbreviations, suffixes and prefixes, math, and the top drugs in each schedule. Additionally, these websites have practice tests that are very helpful. And I also used the MOSBY's book for studying. I feel like this book is very comprehensive and going through it will definitely guarantee a pass on the test.
I studied for the PTCE by going through the entire MOSBY review book, and I did every single practice problem and practice test, but I didn't go through any of the drugs, so I got all of them wrong, but I got the other questions all right. So I wouldn't recommend doing that, but otherwise, if you finish the entire book, you should be all set.
It's very interesting to work as a pharm tech. I work as a pharm tech at Rite Aid, and it's actually my first job and my first experience in a pharmacy. I learned a lot. I learned how to do data entry, fill prescriptions, and help patients pick up their medications. I also learned how interactions between pharmacists and patients go, and I learned a lot about drug names and what they do. Overall, I learned a lot about pharmacy working in, and it really supplements what you learn about pharmacy in PPS.
Being pharmacy technician definitely isn't an easy job. I work at a smaller CVS in Newport Beach, and it's extremely fast-paced. For me, it took me a long time to get used to, but once you get a hang of all the pickup, drop-off, production, and how everything works in a pharmacy, it's really not that bad. You learn to communicate with a lot of people, and you learn a lot of decision-making skills, and I think it's all very worth it.
When I first started this job, I didn't really care about the money. I just saw it as an opportunity to learn more about pharmacy after learning about it so much in PPS after 2 years. And after working in this job and seeing how the pharmacists interact with the pharm techs and patients, I can really honestly say that I can see myself as a pharmacist in the future. So I believe working here has reinforced my goal of becoming a pharmacist. And when I become a pharmacist, I'll definitely treat my pharm techs really well and try to be the best pharmacist to my patients as possible.
For me personally, I actually wanted to do research the first time I came into UCI, and then I decided to do more clinical things. But after working at CVS for about 3 months now, I've decided I want to do retail because after watching pharmacists interact with their patients, I really like how they talk and influence their lives. A lot of patients come into CVS and all they do is just say hi, and I feel like that experience is all very worth it.